How to disable Windows Defender on your laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see a quick and easy way to disable your Windows Defender. Without any further delay, let's just jump right into it. The very first thing you want to do is open up your settings. So I'll just go ahead and quickly open my settings up. Once you have your settings open, go to the System tab on the left hand side. Scroll down until you find Windows Security over here. If you don't see Windows Security on this page, you can go to Windows Update here and then find Windows Security. If you don't see it here even, then in that case, you can just directly search for Windows Security and hit Enter. Once you open up your Windows Security, you want to disable your virus and threat protection first. Let's wait for it to load completely and then go to Virus and Threat Protection. You can do a quick scan for now, but I'll just click on this Manage Settings. Make sure all of these are disabled. Click on Yes, and then it's going to be disabled. Make sure this one is disabled as well as this one. Once you disable all of this, you should be good to go. Now, once that is done, what you can do is simply go ahead and close this out. Now, there's one more thing you can do to disable your Windows Defender completely. That is via Registry Editor. I'll just go ahead and open up Registry Editor, tap on Yes. Now, what you need to do is go to HKey Local Machine, then go to Software, and then from here, you want to go ahead and find Microsoft. I'll just scroll down and then find Policies, find Microsoft, right-click on it, and then here you'll find Windows Defender. Now double-click on it, and then right-click on the blank page, create a new DWORD 32-bit value. Now you're going to have to name it Disable Anti-Spyware, so I'll just quickly do that. Just go ahead and type in Disable Anti-Spyware. Now you need to make sure you type it exactly like this. All of the first letters of these words are capital without any space. Double click on this and set the value to 1. Click on OK, and then you're good to go. Now just restart your PC, and then your Windows Defender should be disabled. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon for more content like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one.